Survival tips with Nate. All right, so one of the first things that you need to know is when surviving, and we have this coronavirus going on, is we need a few items. And you guys have been hearing about masks, right? So I have my handy dandy Purdue t-shirt here to help me out to make a mask. So let's do this first. First, gotta put it on. Get it tight. Yep. Think we got it. Let's see it. Now we gotta get extra protection here. Let's get there. Can you see? Cover your nose. You gotta get that covered up. Perfect. Be safe out there.